morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. It's Monday morning. And today I am doing double duty, but more about that in a moment. Last night I prepared creamy bacon and white bean soup. Yummy. It was very good. Very, very, very good. I will definitely get the recipe posted up. Yeah, it's simple. It's bacon, beans, and a bunch of yummy. Yeah. As you can see, I've got a white chef coat on, and I'm kind of like, I'm going old school. It's one of my old ARC jackets. As you can see, I'm baking today. That's why the double duty. I grew up in a household where shortbread was a staple. So I found this little Scotch shortbread recipe that I'm going to try today. I've already found a mistake in it, but I'm going to correct it. So I've done enough shortbreads in my life and career that, yeah, I know when there's something wrong. This one was very blatant. And then for dinner, it's cheesesteak tortellini in a rich provolone sauce. Yeah. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going. I got more hardware than yesterday for sure, since yesterday was a soup day. We got a fresh batch, and as in not frozen, mixed cheese tortellini. I got just over a pound of beef steak. I'm actually going to throw this in the freezer for a little bit before I slice it, because I need to slice it very thin. So partially freezing it will help aid in the slicing. Kosher salt, black pepper, of course, garlic. And it wouldn't be a cream sauce without heavy cream. There's just a dash 2 or 3 of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, a sliced red pepper, sliced onion. These are shiitake mushrooms from Cody up in Auburn that I picked up on Saturday at the farmer's market. Of course, there's some butter, and I'm actually going with a aged Italian blend, shredded or grated cheese for the cheese sauce, and parsley, flat leaf Italian. So yeah, that's dinner. Now, shortbread is always very simple. It's flour, sugar, butter. Now, what was missing from the recipe from the ingredient list was vanilla. So I'm going to be adding a couple teaspoons of Mexican vanilla. Thank you to my brother-in-law George for bringing up some vanilla for us a while ago. And this is actually being topped with sugar in the raw. This is a different change. So like I said, they call it a Scotch shortbread. Half of my relatives, or part of my relatives on my mom's side, are actually from England and Scotland. You wouldn't know it by the last name, obviously. This is why I kind of tend to know a little bit about shortbreads. So yeah, I look forward to this. I actually have in my archives my mother's. It goes back a few generations of that Scotch shortbread recipe that's been in the family for generations. But I wanted to try this one. So on this Monday, back to old school, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.